So you may or may not have heard that I have a pop-up outlet sale that is going on right now. And I am going to show you some of those products that I have that are in my sale so you can see them in real life, and you can see how I use them, and to give you some ideas of how you could use them. So don't forget, for every $35 that you spend in May, even if it's outlet sale products, you qualify for the May customer special. That's so awesome. So my outlet sale is going on now through Monday, May 6th. At 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, my sale will be over. So if there's anything that you see on my website or anything that you see that I'm sharing with you today, you're going to want to go ahead and grab those at these awesome sale prices, because they will be gone after Monday. All right, so if you're watching with me on Facebook, I hope that you're going to like my business page. If you are watching on my YouTube channel, I hope that you will ring that bell and subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss any of my product videos. Okay, so when you spend $35 in May, like I said, you qualify for the May customer special. So one of the customer specials is the Crossbody organizing tote. So I have a whole video on my May customer special, so I'm not going to go into detail, but you qualify for this Crossbody organizing tote or the small utility tote. And I used this last week at the beach, and I absolutely fell in love with it. Honestly, I fell in love with this tote. It's fantastic for the beach. I'm in love with it. But watch that video and you'll see. So for you can qualify in May for outlet sale products for the May customer special, which is pretty awesome. Okay, so the first thing that I want to share with you guys is my little ice cream bundle. So we have a set of 4 ice cream bowls. My light's kind of bright. These are ceramic bowls. They're about a 1 cup ceramic bowl, if you guys can see. Super cute. They come in 4 different colors: the pink, the turquoise, lime green, and black. These are so fun for the summer for ice cream, whether you want to use them for Mexican night, Taco Tuesday. Put your sour cream, your tomatoes, your cheese, whatever in there. You can also use these as little planters. They're just so cute. I love them. My kids love them for ice cream. And then we also have the double duty caddy in the little ice cream, the sweet sprinkles print. So fun. So this double duty caddy, we have several of the double duty caddies on sale. And then this is just the sweet sprinkles that I have. And I use this actually for when I take lunch to my son at school. So if you are the person that gets designated to go get lunch for everyone at your work, you're going to want to take a double duty caddy with you. All right, and if you go to Chick-fil-A and you get 2 drinks, they give you these little drink containers. Well, they fit perfectly down on one side of this. So when I take lunch to my son, I have our 2 drinks in here, and then I have our food on this side, and I have one little caddy to take inside. It's so nice. These are also great for your office. Actually, if I'm taking my son lunch, then I just grab this off my shelf over there. But if I'm using it in my office, I have, of course, on this side my pens, all different kinds of office supplies. So we have several of these prints in the sale. So this is the sweet sprinkles. The double duty caddy. And then we also have these little keepsake trays. These are so cute. These little keepsake trays. They're just great. It's a great gift for a teenager, great gift for a teacher. And all of these items are great gifts, you guys. It's coming to the end of the school year, so you know you're going to be giving your teacher gifts. So many things. Graduations, all different kinds of things. Or even if you just want to stock up. So I was going to take off my ring just to kind of show you. This is like just a great little tray to either gift or just to keep your little jewelry on the counter. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to share with you guys, and I'm actually going to move these ceramic things because I definitely do not want to break them. So I'm going to move them out of my way. Okay, the next thing I have is the rolling cooler. You guys, people ask me about this all year long, and we have them at our outlet sales only a few times. So we have the rolling cooler in the sale right now while supplies last, okay? This, the rolling cooler is actually gonna be in the Candy Corners print. So it's gonna be in this print just like this, but my cooler is in this print, but it's the same thing. I just want to show you guys. So it has this handle that you can move up and down. It has wheels where you can roll the cooler. You have a huge pocket on the front, a little zipper pocket on the front. And then, of course, you have a zipper closure here on top. This is great for the beach, the pool. This has our leak lock lining in here, which means you can pour ice directly in here and it will not leak out. Okay, so I have one of these Hawaiian punch things in here just to kind of show you size comparison without it having everything dumped over. This is just huge, you guys. So this is the rolling cooler, and I will kind of give you guys a disclaimer that some of the products that I'm going to show you in the sale, it may not be in the print that I have in front of me right now, but I'm just showing you the product. That way you know how big it is, what you could use it for, okay? All right, so this is the rolling cooler. I do suspect that this will sell out. So if you have this on your list or you've been wanting it for a while, I do suggest that you go ahead and get it. It used to be for hostesses only. So now it is available in our outlet sale for customers. All right, so this is the rolling cooler. I'll take this out because I'm gonna need it in just a second to show you something else. Okay, so now we have our little summer bundle, such fun things. Okay, so this is the round, what is it called? The Summer Fun Caddy, the Summer Fun Caddy in the Slice of Summer. So this is our little watermelon print. It's got navy blue and white and all different kinds of watermelon colors. I love this for the beach. We used it last summer for the beach. My little girl was going around. It's got the mesh bottom. We were using it for seashells at the beach when we were when we were picking up seashells. It's also great for sunscreen. So if you're carrying sunscreen, put all your sunscreens in here. You've got little things on the side. It's also great when you go camping. If you're going to the bathhouse, put your shampoos and your soap. You put your brushes around the edge. This is such a great little caddy. So fun for kids too, for chalk, so many things. So this is the Summer Fun Caddy. And we also have the pinch top eyeglass case. This comes in 3 different colors in the sale. This is the Slice of Summer. It also comes in twill stripe and woven stripe, all right? You can pair it with a wristlet strap and it makes this so much more functional. So it's called the pinch top eyeglass case. It has a zipper on the front, so you kind of pinch the sides right here and it opens up. So I have my sunglasses right here. I put my sunglasses in there and it's perfect. But actually last year I used this for my cell phone. So if I was going out to lunch or something, I'd put my cell phone in here. I have an iPhone 8 Plus and it fits perfect in here. Then in this little zipper pocket, I put my driver's license, my debit cards, and my chapstick. And then I had my added a wristlet strap on here and I was good to go. I loved this last year. So I'm so glad they brought it back for our sale. So this is the pinch top eyeglass case. Such a perfect little pairing right there. Then we have the Cool Cinch Thermal. So it comes in, I think 2 other prints in the sale. This is the Slice of Summer, and this is like a cinch sack, so you can cinch it up just like this and then wear it as a backpack. You have a little zipper on the front so you can put things on in there. But the back is actually thermal lined. So this is a thermal. So whether you're going and you maybe are going to swimming lessons or something and you have to change clothes really quick, put your wet swimsuits in here, your wet towels, cinch them up and you're good to go. Or whether you're going to Six Flags or Dollywood this summer and you want to take your snacks and your drinks, put some ice in here, put your drinks in there, and you are cinched it up and you are good to go. So this is the Cool Cinch Thermal in the Slice of Summer print. These are so fun. I love this watermelon print. It was a huge hit last summer. Then I have the Bring a Bottle Thermal. I have a lot of people ask me for these too. So this is a little bottle thermal. You can see the inside is thermal lined. It comes with a little clip if you want to clip it onto a book bag or clip it onto something else. And then it has a little cinch. So I'm going to put my bottle of water in here. Okay. And then cinch it up. Move that little bead down and we are good to go. So this is like a 16-ounce water bottle. Clip this on to your backpack or whatever you're carrying and it's perfect, okay? So this is in the On the Spot print. And we also have the mesh mix bag. So I used this last summer at the beach too and it was so awesome. So you have this little top printed section and the bottom section is mesh. If you guys can see, it's mesh, and then it also has a little cinch thing here. So you can cinch it up. So I was just gonna show you, I have my little beach bucket right here. Put that down in here. It's perfect, you guys. If you have sand, all you have to do is just shake it out, and then you can cinch this up just like this. And then you have the handles to carry it like that. So this is the mesh mix bag. I get that mesh mix cinch bag. So this is so fun on the spot print. All these just coordinate so well. The colors just go so well together. All right, so moving on, I'll get all this stuff out of my way so I can show you guys more. All right, now we have several large utility totes in the sale. You guys know our large utility totes are our #1 selling products. We have the Lotta Colada print in our sale. So if you love pineapples, if you love these bright summer colors, you guys, this is in the sale along with several other prints. The flip-flop print is on sale. There's another one. So get your hands on these large utility totes. So these are great for the pool, great for the beach. Put your lunch thermal in here, put your beach towels, your sand toys, whatever. They are so great. So this is the large utility tote in the Lotta Colada. The next thing that we have is the beach ready tote. So this is one of those items that I have. This print is not in the sale, but this bag is in the sale. So this bag in the sale comes in black with white polka dots, and it also comes in a dragonfly print. So this beach ready tote has the laminated interior. If you guys can see the laminated interior, it has a pocket, a zipper pocket back here, and it also has a little place if you want to hook your keys, and then you can you know, of course, tie this closed. You have a pocket on the front. So this is called the beach ready tote. So big, and I could just kind of put this in here to show you how big it is, you guys. It's just, if you guys can see, it's just huge. That's not very good to show you guys. But anyways, I should have my towels out. But this is the beach ready tote. I think it's like $29.99 in the sale. It was, I think, $58 or $68. So a big savings. All right, the next thing that I have in my sale is actually the picnic thermal. This is another one that is, this is not the print that's in the sale, but it is the same bag. I think actually, just a little sneak peek, you guys, but this print's coming back this summer. But I love this print. But this is called the Picnic Thermal. So it can hold 2 2-liter bottles. It can also hold wine bottles, several wine bottles. It has the long strap, so you guys can wear it as a crossbody, or you can wear it on your shoulder. So this has several prints that's in the sale. The Picnic Thermal, great for the summer. Then we have the Quick Cinch Thermal. You guys, these names are killing me. So if you're not using it, and if you're not using it, then you can roll it up like this. You can unvelcro it right here, and it opens up into a big thermal. This print is not in the sale, but we do have another print that's in the sale. It's actually the, I think it's the on the spot print. I think so. But anyways, this is thermal lined, you guys. So you can put your drinks, your ice, whatever you want to right in here. Your ice will not leak out. This is great to keep in the back of your car if you go to Aldi's when you're shopping and you need a thermal. Our Aldi's is about 45 minutes away, so I need a thermal. So this is great because, like I said, it rolls up. You saw it rolled up just a second ago. And then when you're not using it, but when you are using it, it opens up to a huge thermal. And I'm just going to cinch it up, and I'm going to show it to you like this so you can see how big this thing is. So this is the Quick Cinch Thermal. Okay, 2 more things to show you guys in this video. So this video is part 1 of 2. This is the summer section, and I'm going to show you other products that are just for you. The next one is the sling back thermal. So you can wear this as a crossbody, as a sling bag, just like this. Okay, but it is actually thermal lined. So you unzip it, so it zips down to the bottom on this side. Okay. And then on this side, it just goes halfway. But when you open it up, it is a thermal backpack, you guys. So when I took my son, or I went on his field trip with him, we had I had a water bottle here on the side, just like this. Just like that. I had a water bottle in here. Then I had my All About the Benjamins wallet. I had a water bottle for him and 2 sandwiches and our chips and our drinks or chips in here for our lunch. So not only was it a backpack for my wallet, but it was also a lunch thermal. And then I had my keys in this front zipper pocket and my cell phone. So this was perfect. So this is this sling back thermal. All right, and then the last thing that I'm going to share with you guys, this was called the, what was it called? Double chill, not double chill, on the double thermal set. So this was a Hostess exclusive. So you could only get this if you hosted a party. So it has the handles right here, and it also comes with a long shoulder strap with little, where you can hook it on right here. So this was awesome for hostesses. They loved it because there's a 2-section thermal. So on this side, you have a huge thermal right here. And I'm going to put this down in here, and you guys can just see how big this is. If I push this over all the way to the side, it almost looks like it could hold another one of these. So it's very, very large. All right, and then this side is actually a smaller thermal set. A smaller thermal on this side. So you've got 2 sides. This could probably hold 2 wine bottles. This could probably hold 4, this side. But if you just wanted to use one side, like this bigger side, all you have to do is just zip this smaller one, unzip it, and just take it off. So such a fun little thermal set. So this was only available for hostesses, but now it's available for you in the outlet sale. So I have a whole separate video that I'm fixing to make after this one, so I hope that you will tune in to my Just For You section. This was the products for summer. But remember, my outlet sale is going to be over on Monday at midnight. So you guys, if there's anything that you see on my website, go to my I'll say www.my31.com/Andrea Carver, and then you'll see a big banner that says pop-up outlet sale. So shop, click that, and you can see everything that's in my sale. And just know that everything that you see in that sale is going to be going away after Monday. So shop quick, and not shop quick, but take your time. But you can also personalize your items too. But choose my mystery hostess link, and your name will go into my drawing for I'm giving away my mystery, or giving away my hostess rewards at the end of the month, which I do every single month. So I love doing that. But anyways, stay tuned to my next video, and I'm going to show you some more products that are in the outlet sale.